Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll share valuable tips to boost your study motivation and keep you on the path to success. Let's get started. Tip 1. Set your goals. Setting clear goals provides you with a sense of purpose and direction. Whether it's acing an exam, completing a project, or learning a new skill, clearly define what you want to achieve. Tip 2. Break it down. Large tasks can be overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, more manageable chunks. This way, you can focus on one step at a time and celebrate your progress along the way. Tip 3. Create a study schedule. Establishing a study schedule helps build discipline and consistency. Identify your most productive time of day and allocate it for focused studying. Tip 4. Find a conducive study environment. Choose a quiet, well-lit space where you can minimize distractions. A dedicated study environment helps you stay focused and in the zone. Tip 5. Use positive reinforcement. Reward yourself after completing study tasks or reaching milestones. Treat yourself to a short break, a favorite snack, or an enjoyable activity. Tip 6. Find your learning style. Discover how you learn best, whether through visual aids, auditory methods, or hands-on activities. Tailor your study techniques accordingly to enhance your understanding and retention. Tip 7. Seek support. Surround yourself with supportive friends, classmates, or study groups. Collaborating, discussing ideas, and offering each other encouragement can make studying more enjoyable and motivating. Tip 8. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential for sustained motivation. Get enough sleep, eat nutritious meals, exercise regularly, and take breaks when needed. Tip 9. Visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving your study goals and the benefits that come with it. Visualizing success boosts motivation and helps you stay focused on your aspirations. Tip 10. Mix up your study routine. Introduce variety into your study routine to keep things interesting. Alternate subjects or topics, use different study materials, or try new study techniques. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.